One thing I've been able to do really well is use my Instagram to give me a bunch of opportunities, like countless. And I've done that without having a lot of followers. Like I have maybe like 3K followers. But I have opportunities to do like these insane things all the time because of the way I set up my Instagram. And you can too, without going viral, without having a bunch of followers. I've been doing it for years. And the simple way you do this is honestly by branding yourself by what you actually do. A lot of people, it's okay to post your life and stuff and post all the things you do, but it needs to be clear and obvious what you're about and what you do and that you're good at it. And so for me, I post BS sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, like I be out doing stuff, but you're gonna see my 3-pin posts of me as a motivational speaker in my 3 best clips. And you're gonna see in my highlights that I travel the country and all these things. And I'm gonna post certain content consistently that's with my brand. And so because of that, people are attracted and see my value immediately. So they're not, so if you don't have that, you gotta have a bunch of followers for people to have social proof of them saying, no, this guy's legit. If you don't have if you just have 3K followers or 2K followers, and then you don't have any proof of your stuff, then you don't have one of the two that would make somebody want to have your services or want you on their show, whatever it may be. So for me, when somebody comes to my account, let's say you have a podcast, right? And you're looking for guests. You come to my podcast, you be like, I need to get this dude on my podcast within maybe 90 seconds, not even. Because I'm like, boom, here you go. And I don't have a lot of followers, so you're not coming to me because I have a bunch of followers. You're coming to me because you saw what my stuff is about. And I've had podcast interviews, podcast guests on my own podcasts that come on, speaking engagements. I've networked with really high-profile people. I've had really high-profile people repost my content. You see, when somebody reposts your content, it isn't always because you have a dope video, but it's also because they see the dope video and they go to your profile and see you really grinding. Another thing that has allowed me to really get these insane opportunities happen to me without a lot of followers is they'll see I'm consistent. As somebody, and even me, like me supporting other people, I don't want to support somebody where my support is going to waste. Like if I repost your content, but you're gonna quit next week, I don't want to support that person. I want to support the person that I know is dedicated. And so by you showing that you're posting whatever consistency is every day or 4 times a week, whatever, you show you're consistent, you show you really bout it, you know what I'm saying? People are gonna be more likely to support you and give you opportunities. And that's what's happened to me. Again, not a lot of followers, but you're gonna see me posting my clips of me speaking dang near every day. You're going to see me posting the story posts of me speaking at a school. You're going to see me saying, yo, look how hard I'm working. Not trying to show it off, but like, look, you're going to see that I'm working. You feel me? I've had multiple celebrities repost my content. I've had Olympians reach out to me for me to be at their speaking engagements. I've had all these crazy opportunities. Why? Because I just branded myself well on Instagram, and I was consistent. Literally, everybody was once in your position before. You got to think, every celebrity, every famous person, every person with massive success, except for a couple, some were given $1 million, but most people, bro, they started where you are, and so they relate to that, but they also know where they were putting in that work. Who else is putting in that work? They're trying to find the next shoe. It gratifies them. For me, if I find another dude that wants to be a speaker, and he really wanted, I'm going to give him as much game as possible because I want him to be able to impact those people. Because I know how much of impact I've had, I can impact. But I don't want to give away this energy, these lessons, this game to just anybody because I ain't got the time, bro. I can't just be giving away stuff. I can't just be reposting everybody on my story. But you show me you're consistent and you show me what you're about, insane opportunities will come if you just keep posting, you keep networking. Like I do a lot of networking on Instagram. There's a lot of people, they'll be like, how do you know him? How do you, bro? Instagram. Like, and all it is like, here's some other game. Support other people. Okay? Support other people is how you also get supporters. There's a lot of people I'm connected with that are doing big things. And we've collabed on stuff because I would just come across their content. I show love and I follow. And I show love every now and then. Like, genuinely, like not even me plotting. And then eventually, relationship, then all of a sudden, we hanging out together. You feel me? And now he's on my podcast. You know what I'm saying? I've had stuff like that. And, here's some other game, okay? Oh, I'm feeling it today, man. I'm feeling it. I'm glad I was thinking about not doing the video, and then I was like, let me do the video. But some other things you can do is support people that ain't blown up yet. One thing for me is I'm such a pure-hearted person. I kind of attract to it. but I can feel when somebody is genuine. So a lot of people that I meet before they blow up, there's a lot of people I meet and then they blow up. Not because of me, but because I already saw it before the world caught on. I have a very good eye for that. You can have a good eye for that if you start being a genuine person. When you're a genuine person, you attract and you can see genuine people a lot easier. And you can see the opposite a lot easier too. And so for me as a genuine person, like everything's love, bro. Like don't get me wrong, I do be hustling, but like it's all love. I'm doing everything organic, like, you know what I'm saying? And so when you do that and you support other genuine people eventually blow up. It's because people can feel it. And so if you look at anybody on my podcast, most of them end up booming because I believed in them before the world caught on. And so I'm constantly maybe having opportunities with these dope people, but I knew them before because I was supporting, because I just could tell they were genuine. So that's some game on like how to use Instagram to network and to get insane opportunities. I've been doing this for the last 4 or 5 years, and I'll continue doing this. And I just it's funny because I was just like realized yesterday, and like I got 2 podcast interviews, people interviewing me next week while I'm in Philly. I'm in Philly for 2 days, and I'm getting interviewed both days. And they're both from me just sending a quick DM, yo, I like your stuff, bro. Or me just supporting, or them seeing my stuff and being like, yo, you got it going on. And then, you know, and you also got to be able to like back it up. So you do all this stuff, and then you get on the phone, you can really be like, yo, bro, this is really what I do. And another part of me being able to do this stuff is when you get me on the phone, we gonna connect because I'm really am a cool dude and I don't give a. And so that's also a component you got to develop yourself, but that all comes from being genuine and really being about it. It's easier to be genuine about like, yo, I'm really him when you really are him, when you really are putting in that work. You feel me? So if you have any advice on that, drop in the comments. If you're somebody that has any advice on this, if you're somebody that's struggling with this, drop in the comments as well. Maybe I can respond. Maybe somebody else can respond. Allow this video to be a community of this topic, and we can all grow together. Don't forget, watch another video from my channel. If you like this one, I promise you, I got a gazillion videos. I post every single day at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Every single day. I talk a lot, so I have a lot of content. So watch one of those videos. They're going to pop up. There's also a playlist where you can watch a bunch on different topics. Pick your playlist. Go to my channel. Pick a playlist. I have podcast interviews. I have just all my videos. I have speaking. Just pick something, bro, and just listen to me speak and just help me out. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, notifications, even if you don't. I had fun making this video, and I'm excited for my podcast interviews next week. See y'all on the next video.